Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Bengal's biggest festival Durga Puja is coming very soon. Before it, Mahalaya also coming. So today I made the Mahalaya special veg thali with rice, some pakoda and some sabji, also some sweets. So, without wasting a time, let's go and see how we can make this Mahalaya special veg thali. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. First we made the taro root steam sabji with mung pulses. For this first I chopped the taro root steam very nicely. After that I washed it and boiled it. Then I will extract the water from it with a spoon. You can see. After that I will boil the mung pulses also. Then I will take a kadai and give one bay leaves and one dry chili. After that I will give white cumin, some fenugreek, also some black cumin into it. After that I give some salt, turmeric powder and fried it little more. Also I will give ginger, green chili and white cumin paste. After frying all the ingredients very nicely, now I will add some ghee. If you add the ghee, it will enhance the taste of the recipe. After frying it little more, now I will add the boiled taro root steam and fried it very nicely. After frying it for 2 to 3 minutes, now I will add the boiled mung pulses into it. After give all the mung pulses, I fry it for 1 minute more. After 1 minute, you can see our recipe is ready to serve. So our first recipe is ready. After that I will make our second recipe, baby corn sabji with potato and capsicum. For this first I chopped the baby corn and potato very nicely and boiled it little more. I give here 1 whistle for the baby corn and 2 whistle for the potato. You can see our potato boiled very nicely. Now I will take a kadai and give some oil and give 1 bay leaves and dry chili. Also I will give some white cumin, salt, turmeric powder and some Kashmiri mirchi powder. After that I will give here ginger, green chili and white cumin paste and fried it very nicely. After that I will give here chopped capsicum and fried it little more. After fried it, now I will give the boiled potato and I smash it with my hand. If you smash it, the sabji will be little gravy. After that I will add the boiled baby corn into it and fried it very nicely. If you fried it very nicely, our sabji will be very tasty. After that I will add some corn flour into it. With this our gravy will be little thick. After frying it, now I will add some water into it. You can add the water how much juicy you want to eat. After mix it with the water, now I will boil it for 1 to 2 minutes more. After boiling, now I will add the sabji masala into it and mix it very nicely and boil it till the gravy become thick. Now I will make our third recipe, goat steam sabji with potato and dal bori. It is a very tasty recipe. Also it is a very famous recipe for the Bengali people. For this first I cut the goat steam very nicely. I also cut the goat leaves with it. You can see. After chopped all the steam and leaves very nicely, now I will wash it. Then I will take a kadai and give some oil and give 1 dry chili into it and give some black cumin into it and some fenugreek into it. After that I will add some salt, turmeric powder, some ginger and green chili paste. After that I will add some Kashmiri mirchi powder and fried all the ingredients very nicely. Then I will give 3 green chili into it and fry all the ingredients very nicely. After that I will give the chopped steam into it and boiled it for 5 to 6 minutes more. It is so soft that 5 minutes is enough for boiled it. After 5 minutes I will remove the cover and show you it boiled very nicely. You can see. Now I will fry it little more and give some water into it. You can give the water according to your taste, how much juicy you want to eat. Now I will add the fried potato and dal bori into it. First I give the dal bori into it. Then I will give the fried potato and smash it with my hand, because if you smash it, the sabji will be little thick. Now I will mix all the ingredients with the water and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes more. After 2 to 3 minutes, now I will add the sabji masala into it and mix it with the sabji very nicely and boil it 2 minutes more. Now our sabji is ready. Now I will make our last sabji recipe, tomato chutney. For this first I take a kadai and give some oil. After that I will give 1 bay leaves and 1 dry chili into it and fried it very nicely. Then I will add some white cumin and some mustard seed into it. After that I will add cashew nuts, cinnamon, cardamom and some semolina and fried it very nicely. After fried it, now I will add some chopped tomato into it and fried it little more. Then I will add the mango holi. Mango holi means when the mango season I chop the mango and dry it into the sunlight very nicely. You can use the mango holi whole the year. If you want, you can use the turmeric also instead of this. Then I will add some salt and turmeric powder into it and fried it very nicely. Now I will add some sugar into it, how much sweet you want to eat. Then after mixing it very nicely, now I will add some water into it. You can add the water how much juicy you want to eat. After mix the all ingredients with the water very nicely, now I will boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. After boiling it 2 to 3 minutes, now I will put it down on a plate. If you want, you can use the chaat masala here also. Now I will make our last recipe, pumpkin flour pakoda. For this, first I make a batter with rice flour and gram flour. You can use rice flour if you want to make it crispy. Also I will add some salt and some ingredients. Then I will fry it very nicely. When you will fry it, you have to keep the flame medium. After that you have to keep the flame low. Then it will be fried very nicely. Now you can see our pakoda fried very nicely and it looks crispy. Now I will put it down on a plate. So friends, with this our today's Mahalaya special veg thali is ready. If you like this video, please try this recipe at your home and comments me how tasty it is. Also please like and share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye for today and see you in next video.